Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Nagbabalik DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso, unang bagay na libre sa mundong ito. True friends. Love, hindi mo kailangan maging cool, maging mayaman, maging sikat to gain a true friend. You just have to be real. And yes, it is free. Hindi mo na kailangan gumastos para makapag-bar, gumastos para makasama sa mga out-of-town trips na hindi mo naman talaga afford. You just have to learn to communicate better, know how to stay in touch, and the most important thing of all, give. Kung ang kaibigan mo ay nagbibigay ng oras para makinig sa problema, adventure at heartbreak mo, you should also be willing to do the same thing for them. Hindi porket wala silang jowa at ikaw meron, ibig sabihin wala na silang pinagdadaanan. Hindi porket kinakapos ka sa buhay at sila ay medyo nakakaangat-angat, wala na silang problema. Learn to listen and understand others. You'll see one of the best things in life that is free. Totoong kaibigan. Okay? Oh, love, eto na ang ikalawang bagay na libre sa mundong ito. True love. Oh, baka may ibang magsabi dyan na, hindi kapag may karelasyon ka, gagastos ka sa date, regalo, load. Well, love, another free thing for you. Effort. If you know how to do it, you'll see na it doesn't cost much to find true love. Kailangan ng date, learn how to cook, invite mo sa bahay nyo, and then work with what you have at home. Siguraduhin mong andun yung pamilya para hindi ka mukhang Diba? Spend quality time kasama siya and bring that person closer to your family. Kailangan ng regalo. Give them your undivided time and attention. It's worth more than any gift. In love, action will always speak louder than words. Hindi mo kailangan maging flashy. Hindi mo kailangan laging magpasikat. You just need to be there and be present sa buhay niya. That one is free and that one will always be enough. Okay? Awat muna tayo sa ating biyaheng libre katulad ng nasabi ko kanina dahil magbibigay tayo ng daan sa isa pang libre which is advice. Ito na ang ating Byahe Sender of the night. Mula ito sa ating FB page na DJ Lala Banderas. This one ay mula kay Ruby ng South Korea. Annyeong! Ayan, annyeong sa'yo. Sabi dito, Hi DJ Lala, napapraning ako. Di ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. I'm still in love with my best friend kahit na she's already married. Alam niya kung ano yung nararamdaman ko. Nakukontento na lang ako sa paggawa ng efforts to make her happy. Lagi kaming nagkakausap through chat and video call since nandito ako sa Korea. Sabi niya, ginagawa niya raw yun kasi feeling niya meron siyang obligation sa akin para din daw maibsan kahit papano yung pagka-homesick ko sa Pinas. Ang hirap pigilin ng nararamdaman ko. Minsan naiisip ko gusto ko na lang siyang iwasan pero nagtatalo yung puso at isip ko. Ayoko ring magkaroon siya ng sama ng loob. Ilang taon kaming hindi nagkausap at noong 2018 na lang kami ulit nagkaroon ng connection. I don't know what to do. Iiwasan ko ba siya or I'll be staying for the sake of our friendship? Sana mapayuhan mo ako, gulong-gulo na ako. Thanks DJ Lala, Ruby from South Korea. Well, annyeong Ruby, annyeonghaseyo. O diba? Korean. Yun lang yung alam ko. Well, diretsahin na kita, iwasan mo na siya. Iwasan mo muna siya ulit. If the first try did not succeed, try it again. Remember, you are doing this for yourself, not her. Okay na siya eh. May sasalo sa kanya, may buhay na siya, may pamilya na siya. Quite frankly, she doesn't need you right now. I'm sure meron siyang couple of friends that can offer the same thing you can without complications. So it is wiser and better for the both of you to just stay away from each other hanggang sa punto lang na maka-move on ka na sa kanya. If you can't control what you feel for her nang meron kayong communication, then help yourself by cutting it for now. You'll do her more good than harm, believe me, my love. Kung talagang concerned siya sa'yo at tinuturing kanyang kaibigan, she will and she should understand na this is something you need to do for yourself. Have a life, my love. Find new friends and give yourself a chance to fall in love again and maybe one day be loved as well. All you need now is an opportunity to do so. Again, iwas muna. It will hurt, but believe me, it will hurt more if you'll stay. Okay? Sana natulungan kita, Ruby, sa iyong problema. I hope I have offered you clarity sa pinagdadaanan mo, and I hope maka-move on ka na para magkaroon ka ng sarili mong life. Okay? At syempre, kung ikaw ay may pinagdadaanan katulad ni Ruby, then all you need to do is send me a message. Pwede ka naman gumamit ng nickname kung gusto mo itago yung tunay mong pagkatao. Go ahead, just send your problems sa aking Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas, or text me through my text line 0917-851-4329. Again, 0917-851-4329. Love, mukhang nasa dulo na naman tayo ng ating biyahe for tonight. But of course, before we end the show, let me tell you one last thing na free sa mundong ito: redemption. We have done a lot of bad things and wrong things in life that may have cost us important things or important people. But yung chance to get back up and build yourself up again, called redemption, costs nothing. If not, it will help you gain more. Lahat naman tayo nadadapa, nagkakamali. So instead of beating yourself up about it, forgive yourself and just move forward. Anyway, wala ka namang ibang choice but to do so and it will always be a better option than just staying down. So redeem yourself, my love, and be better, okay? After all, that is free. Sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me tonight. Maraming salamat po for sticking with me sa 3 hours of our show, sa 3 hours ng ating Byaheng Libre. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-comment, nagbigay ng opinion at nag-send ng kanilang mga problema para sa ating Byahe Sender. Don't you worry, hindi man ngayon, malay mo bukas, ikaw na ang ating Byahe Sender of the night. And of course, if you wanna follow me on my socials, you may always do so. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Laika. Ayan, andyan ako, DJ Lala Banderas, ang kailangan nyong hanapin. And of course, every episode ng ating biyahe will be uploaded sa YouTube channel ng Love Radio Manila. And before I go, let me remind you, nakita mo na ba ang post ng Love Radio Manila? Malapit ng koronahan ang ating Aliwan Fiesta Digital Queen. Nakaboto ka na ba? Yung manok mo, yung pambato mo, naboto mo na ba? Kung hindi pa, abay, pwede kang pumunta sa Love Radio Manila para makita mo kung saan pwede bumoto, or pwede kang dumiretso sa kanilang Facebook page, Aliwan Fiesta, to know more details. Nakasama niyo po DJ Lala para sa aking programang biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night, everybody. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye! Love you!
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.